Hi guys, Flo here, the consolist. In today's video I want to talk about the awesome, my favorite console, Nintendo's family computer, the Famicom. And especially this here, that's the first mod I ever did to a console. It's the AV-Mod, you see here. And today I want to revisit that and see what I did. I honestly can't remember. I expect very bad soldering and a lot of hot glue. So I did this about 1.5 years ago, and today I want to revisit it and improve it if I can. Let's get started. So first, of course, let's open it up. I tried to do it as non-invasive as possible. Yeah, this was broken and here I received it that way. So yeah, let's open it up and look at the horror. So I'm actually really excited. Let's see what we got. Okay. And here it is. So yeah, I was right about the hot glue. Okay. Yeah, the cables here, I think I will do this new, so it doesn't look too bad. I think, yeah, I put in here, I had a better solution. I put like a USB jack in here. All the hot glue. I use a little IPA to loosen the hot glue. Let's soak that in a little bit while I remove the PCB. And that's for the controller. Let's remove that too. Nice blob of hot glue. It doesn't look too bad. I don't need all this hot glue. So it works perfectly, so I just want to rewire this without all the sticky stuff here. Because I don't need it. Oh hell, what did I do here? That looks suspicious. So that's the board that boosts the video signal. So that's for the video. I did, as I can see, that's the jailbar mod. You remove this here, C16 I think, and connect the video signal directly to the pin. Yeah, that doesn't look too good too. This should be ground. Yeah. But I didn't connect it to here. Okay. So that's an issue. Yeah, the soldering is not the nicest. That's for the audio. That's video. This is ground. And this is this VCC C. Yeah. First, I remove that and put in a yellow cable for video. That's nicer. No, that's VCC. Let's check again. It's nice and labeled here on the board. It's VCC. How do I want this to go? I think like this. Yeah, this looks nice. This was ground. Let's check again. Ground. Yeah. Like this. CC, ground, video, and for the audio I take white wire. Yeah, that looks much better. So now I reattach the audio like here. So put it this way. Maybe. It's just too big. I think I cut this. Maybe I put it like this. I have to remove the hot glue here. I'm back in a moment. So I removed all the hot glue. This actually I left this here. So I think I put this in last. This was the audio. I just do it like this. You see, just a little here. Yeah, I could make this nicer, but I want to keep a little bit of what I done. I just want to make the soldering a little bit nicer wires. So I don't want to destroy the past. I'll put this here and tie this to ground here again, I think. Yeah, let's do that. I haven't decided yet where to put this and how. That's for the video signal. It comes in here. So then here the 5 volts. I put this. I will put a link in the description where you can find the circuit for this, and yeah. And then only video out is here. I need another yellow cable. So let's see. And it's a pretty easy circuit. Yeah, this looks a little bit crude, what I did, but it's just to boost the video signal. Everything nice and color coded. So I think that was everything. Maybe I put a little Kapton tape here and here. Yeah, I think that's better than hot glue. So this is the Kapton tape. I didn't have to glue that in because yeah, it's held down. It's all nice and color coded. No more hot glue. Looks nice and clean. So I put this back together and then we'll test it. See you in a bit. And yeah, I have to clean all the mess here. So, and now it's time for the final test. So let's see. Got here Super Mario Brothers. And yes, still working. Sorry, the monitor is really shitty, but so guys, thanks for watching. I hope you found this a little bit interesting. If you have questions about the mod or something, yeah, write in the comment section below. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Consider subscribing and I see you in my next video. Bye.